Hi and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss how to create the blanket purchase order. In Business Central, we can create the blanket purchase order for a long-term agreement with the vendor for buying a number of items. So let's start the blanket. Sorry. Let's click. So here I created already a purchase order, so let's take at that example. So I have two of items, different items, and I have different quantities. So here I can select the quantity to receive to partially receive that order. So for instance, I am taking 50 of it and 80 of it. So I'm creating an purchase order from the blanket purchase order, which I will receive it from my vendor. So here I can, and here is the document date, and the due date is as on this customer, sorry, on this vendor we have defined the payment term code is, as you can see, the current month. So that's why the due date is coming 30th of the April. So let's see, make that. Do you want to create an order from the blanket order? Yes. Yes. So order number this has been created from the blanket order. So let's open the purchase order from the list which we just create from. Yes. So now we have these quantities and we have this purchase order from the blanket purchase order. So here's the, you can see, you can create the blanket purchase order for the long-term agreement with the vendor, and you can post it when you receive the vendor invoice number. For example, I am receiving, and let's post this. If I post this, then why it is not posting. Yeah, quantity to receive, sorry, 50, as I create this feed mandatory. So now let's post this. So as I post the inventory through this purchase order, so let's back to the blanket purchase order. Now you can see this, the quantity received, I received 50 of 100 and 80 of 150. So the remaining quantities already automatically come to quantity to receive. Now the second purchase order, if it is different, then I can select different quantity and I can create a purchase order from the blanket purchase order. So this is the way you can create the long purchase order for the vendor, and from that blanket purchase order you can create the different purchase order as you received. Thanks for watching.